back, everyone, and this is Monty, and he's going to go over all the cool features on this CVO and let you know why he picked it as his 2022 winter storage tech pick.
I picked the CVO model for my tech pick this year. It is a 2007 CVO Springer, which I really like. The factory did a really good job customizing this one right from the factory. The customer did go through and put in some details and had things chromed that weren't available at that time, and did a really good job on it. Beautiful paint. I love the balance of the chrome to the paint. It's a nice balance. They did a really good job there. They did add a windshield, the chrome calipers, and a few other chrome accessories along the way. I think they did a really good job on it. That's why I picked this one.